Amazon has announced it will cut an additional estimated 15,000 jobs from its corporate workforce. Take a look at this video.
Amazon is planning to cut 14,000 corporate jobs starting this week. It is one of the largest rounds of layoffs in the company's history. Why would Amazon be doing this right now ahead of the holidays while the company seems to be doing well? Well, in a note to employees this morning, they say the world is changing quickly. This generation of AI is the most transformative technology we have seen since the internet. And that's really echoing what CEO Andy Jassy started signaling this summer when he said generative AI could mean fewer workers. And Amazon isn't alone here making these changes in the midst of a major AI transformation. Target announced last week that it will be eliminating about 1,800 roles. Other tech giants like Microsoft, Meta, Google, and Intel have also made cuts this year. And this is important to follow because tech companies are a bellwether for the broader economy. They can be. And right now, hiring is slowing for the first time since the pandemic. There are more unemployed workers than jobs available, although overall unemployment is still historically low at 4.3%.
All right, it's not hidden secret anymore that AI is changing the world. Just to give you some idea, some context about how technology rapidly, quickly changed the world. And I'm one of those rare generation of a kid born in the 70s, raised in the 80s, served our country in the 90s, early 2000s, to see this world transition from an in-person conversation all the time to a text message, cell phone conversation all the time, for the most part. The crazy part about why AI is moving faster than the internet ever did is because there's no barrier to entry. Anybody right now can get on AI just like anybody could have got on Google Chrome. You don't need additional hardware or infrastructure. You just need an internet connection. AI is accelerating. It's self-accelerating because it's learning itself. It doesn't need to sleep. And if you're not using AI, I'm just curious, for those of you watching this live right now or watching the replay, how many of y'all use AI? ChatGPT, Gemini, Sora, or something like that, right? How many guys are using that? We're using 4 or 5, 6 different platforms for AI right now. And it's allowed us to streamline our job. For example, we manually assembled the recap videos that we're about to do here on Tuesday, but we allow AI to help us create better titles and AI to create better organization of the videos we're about to do. So it's eliminated 1 or 2 jobs. And our production team and our editing team, they can maximize their talent skill set. So therefore, we can invest more into infrastructure. And here's the thing too with AI, there's mass adoption. AI gives you access not to information, but to capacity, to increasing your capability. Usually what happens to a company's stock value when they create mass layoffs like this, the stock value props up because the financials end up being better because there's less internal costs. The real difference is this: the internet changed how we consume and obtain information. And AI is changing how you and I produce value. And if you're not using AI today, I'm just curious, what are you guys doing to use AI? Are you using it for emails? Are you using it for job resume creation? Are you using it for business plans? And if you're not using AI, you're already behind. Every week I coach my guys. How much have you used AI? How much have you used AI? How much have you used AI for your marketing, for your social media posts? If you're not using AI to help you post and market your business on social media, you're being left behind. Because if you're not using AI to post and market on social media, your competitors are. In the internet era, those who waited, they still had time to kind of adjust. In the AI era, as you see right now in this video here from ABC News, those who don't use AI will soon be replaced fast. AI won't replace you. Someone using AI will replace you. If you like that clip, watch the next one over here. To watch the full-length episode, click over here.